channel. So if you like today's video, hit the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this, and hit the notification bell to never miss an upload. Now let's get into today's video. Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing another anime character. So this is another favorite anime character. It's from Attack on Titan, or he's from Attack on Titan. His name is, it's Armin from Attack on Titan. So yeah, if you want to see how I get the look, then keep on watching. So I kind of wanted to try out this new camera angle thing. I don't know, so far I'm liking it because my mirror is directly below my camera. And I really like it. Like before it was off to the left and kept looking, off to the right, and I kept looking to the right. I feel like I like this better since it's right below the camera. So let's get started. So first I'm going to take my makaige Look Up Like This Flawless Foundation. I'm going to apply it with my e.l.f. foundation blurring brush. I'm just going to squirt two squirts of that on the brush. And then I'm just going to start applying it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my beauty blender with my finishing spray, just to kind of get it a little bit damp. And then I just like to press the foundation into my skin. Now that that is pressed into the skin, I'm going to apply my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Oh, but I'm going to apply it with my Sonia Kashuk fluffy brush. Let's see, with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, I'm just going to buff in the concealer. Alright, so we're just going to let that sit for a little bit, and now we're going to prime the eyes. I'm going to use my Berts Bees eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to use my finger to prime the eyes. For eyeshadows today, I'm going to use my QC Makeup Academy eyeshadow palette. The lid broke off, so I'm just going to use it like this. Okay, so first we're going to take an all-over shade. I'm going to use something that's kind of really close to my natural skin color, so I'm going to take this one right here. And I'm just going to first apply that all over the lid. In the crease, we are going to apply this shade. Okay, for on the lid, I'm going to take this gold shade right here. And with my Morphe, let's see, this is an M158 brush, I'm going to take, let's see, this is the only green. This green shade right here, and we're going to line the upper lash line. Okay, so we're going to go back to the face. I'm going to use my Catrice Baking and Setting Loose Powder. I'm going to take my kind of like medium size Sonia Kashuk fluffy brush. We're going to set the concealer first. And then now we're going to set the rest of the face. I'm going to use my Morphe big fluffy brush for this. Now we're going to go into a bronzing. Now I'm going to use my QC Makeup Academy contouring palette. I'm going to take the shade that's directly in the middle, and I might dip into this one as well just to see how I like the color. I'm going to take my old-fashioned fluffy brush. take my highlighting brush. This is from e.l.f. and I'm going to take the QC Makeup Academy highlighting palette. I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Oomph. And I'm just going to place it in the highlighting areas. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. blush brush and I'm going to take my Wet n Wild blush in Pinch Me Pink. Apply this to the apple of the cheek. And kind of soften it with my big Morphe brush. Okay, so while the first layer of mascara is drying, I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to take my NYX lip liner in the color Natural, and I'm just going to line my lips. And fill them in. Next, I'm going to apply my Lorac lipstick in Beach Babe. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the second layer of mascara. This is the Huda Beauty Legit Lash Mascara. I'm going to use the curling and lengthening side. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my NYX Dewy Finishing Spray. Like always, I'm going to let it dry a little bit and then I'm going to set my T-zone with the Baking and Setting Loose Powder from Catrice. Okay, so the look is complete. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow for another favorite anime character makeup look. Bye guys!